Yes, good morning, girls. Hope you're all doing good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, ma. Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
Yeah, ma. Now, girls, I want you to see. It has been almost all done. So before I start any new unit or before going, it doesn't take much time. What I want you to do is a sort of quick revision. Can anybody do that? All of you share it, and one by one you do it today.
From all the topics what we have learned.
Yes, only topics which you have learned. Okay, quick revision of all the topics. You take your turn wise and start explaining for today. Like it is a revision class. Before we go further, let us know how much we have learned and how much we are aware of what we have learned. Okay.
Okay.
From Wednesday onwards, we could go for a new topic and new chapters. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Introduction of computer. Who is going with introduction?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice.
Yeah. Continue, ma. Sarah, I can hear. Am I audible now? I
Yes.
said just let us go
Yes,
through
ma'am.
revision.
Shaya,
Yes, ma'am.
Are you starting or introduction?
You
of
start, Mariam. I will go with you.
No, do you want this class or you want me to explain something? You tell me.
We want this class.
You want revision class only, all of you? Or you want me to take some class?
No, revision only.
Revision only.
Sure?
Revision only, ma'am.
Okay, okay. If you are comfortable with whatever you say, I agree. Either revision or I'll take a class. It's up to you. Majority. किसको revision होना है? हाथ उठाओ. Those who want revision, raise your hands. Let me see the majority. Am I audible, girls?
Yes.
Who want revision, raise your hands, ma.
Ma'am, hands are not raising.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we are clicking on raise hand, it is not raising.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only in financial accounting class and this FIT class, hands are not raising, ma'am. In Neelam ma'am class, it was raising.
Ma'am,
क्या
I
कर दिए
think
माँ हाथों को?
there's something a technical issue. I think you have made some changes in settings, and that too when we are going to chat also, no, only we are getting the option to you and the one who are co-host.
हाँ, तो फिर कई को chat कर रहे तुम लोग बीच में?
If we are doing it, before it was privately also, because when we want to chat with somebody else or we want to ask to somebody else, we can do that. But now it's not the one who is host and the one who is co-host. Only to them we are able to chat.
अच्छा हुआ.
I think this settings has been changed.
Now you raise ma.
No, ma'am, not
Ma'am,
raising.
ma'am, you make someone host or co-host. He'll check the settings, ma'am.
Okay ma. Ramachandra. I can raise my hand as a
Yes,
host.
ma'am, you are the host, ma'am. That's why.
Wait, I'll check. I'm checking meeting settings also. If it is to be done, like I have changed it only with the host only. You can chat.
Ma'am.
Chats are also disabled, ma'am.
Ma.
Chatting box is also disabled. We can't send any chats also.
Now you raise ma.
Not raising,
able.
ma'am.
No,
If you
ma'am.
click on, it's not raising.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll check ma. I'll check the settings. Don't worry. You continue with the revision. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mariam, are you starting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's divide the topics first.
Yeah,
Who is
that
doing
will
the
be better.
introduction? And
So we'll
the
go with
second
the
topic, the
sequence
input
wise.
and output devices.
The
We'll
characteristics of
go with
computer
the
and all digital data and information. Like,
We'll
Sarah.
take about the generations of
Mariam,
the
you can
computer.
take it, right?
Just
No,
uh,
generation of computers,
the
I will
one
take.
who are explaining, no, we won't discuss this topic. If we'll discuss, no, the time will waste. The one who are doing the continuation, just to start by saying the next topic name and they can continue.
Yeah, that will.
If
Okay,
we'll
let's
start
do that.
again, then time will be wasted. Okay. Introduction of computer. So once we'll go with what is computer. Computer is an electronic device or the processor which displays the user's storages and future usage. Computer is a device which is made by the man, and it works according to the instructions given by the man. Now under that we are having data. Data is nothing but unorganized facts and figures. Data is nothing but unorganized facts and figures, or you can say unstructured facts and figures. Data is a collection of unorganized facts and
1 second,
figures.
Mariam. Sorry to disturb you, but ma'am,
Yeah.
we can raise our hands now.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, we can raise our hand.
Oh, very good. Congrats for that. Okay. Okay. Carry on ma.
Data is a collection of unorganized facts and figures and does not provide any further information regarding patterns, context, etc. Hence, data means unstructured factors and figures. Data is nothing but the information which is not organized, we can say, or unorganized facts and figures. Coming to information, information is the opposite of data. That uh, it has been maintained in a systematic manner, and it has organized and meaningful and processed data. And to process the data and convert into information, a computer is used. To converting unorganized structured data into organized one, computers are used. Then further class characteristics of computer system, that is nothing but speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, reliability, automation, and memory. Speed. What do you mean by speed? Speed is nothing but as compared to human speed, a computer works more than 1 million instructions per second when compared to humans. Here we are comparing machines with humans. So speed, a computer works with much higher speed and accuracy compared to humans. While performing mathematical calculations, computers can process 1 million of instructions per second. The time taken by computers for their operations is microseconds and nanoseconds. As this is a machine, so it is like a robot, we can say, and it can perform 1 million instructions per second when compared to humans, that to mathematical calculations, not logical, mathematical calculations, 1 million instructions per second, and it takes the operation in microseconds as well as in nanoseconds. Next is accuracy. Computers perform calculations with 100% accuracy. Accuracy is nothing but not having changes or not having what we can say,
Correctness in the data.
correctness in the data, that is
Very
not
appropriateness. Yes.
99.9% sure, it's 100% sure that it has the accuracy, and errors may occur due to data inconsistency or inaccuracy. Errors are nothing but the, what we can say, changes in the data. So they may occur due to inconsistency or inaccuracy in the data. If we'll give the correct instructions to the computer, it will perform the correct one answer. If we'll give some errors to the computer, it will perform according to that errors. Diligence. Diligence is nothing but performing a task or a calculation with same consistency. It is same as accuracy only, and it does not feel a lack of concentration. Its memory also make it superior to that
No
of
tiredness, no fatigueness. Just like humans, after a few hours, we reduce that the speed goes down. As the speed goes down, there will be inaccuracy in the result. But whereas the system, it is diligent in the sense it does not get fatigueness or the tiredness. It goes on working on.
Will not be lazy.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Carry on.
a computer can perform millions of tasks or calculations with the same consistency and accuracy. Then reliability, it a computer is reliable as it is give consistent results for similar set of data. That is, if we give some set of input any number of times, we will get the same result. Reliability is nothing but if we'll give the calculation as 2 plus 2 is equals to, then he'll calculate and give us 4. Then after giving 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Then if we give 3 plus 2, then he'll give the same answer. If we'll give 1 plus 2 plus 2, then he'll give the 5 only. If we'll change the, what we can say, if we'll change the matter also, if the answer is same, then he'll repeat the answer and he'll give the same
Maria,
answer. That is nothing but reliability.
the computer, sorry to interrupt, computer na he hai na she hai, it, that is it. Okay, please don't tell it as he. The system is not he. Okay, and be very particular, all of you. I thought of saying many times, not only whoever are explaining, data, not data. Okay, we are in the gen of 2021, not in 48s or 60s. Okay, please maintain the term as data. Yes, data, not data. Okay, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
So
no,
could I do this simple
he, no,
mistake?
she. The system is it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, carry on, carry on.
Versatility, it is nothing but it performs to the capacity of a computer to perform different kinds of work with same accuracy and efficiency. Versatile means having a additional capacity, we can say, or additional ability to perform
Yes.
the kinds,
Very true.
यानी कि varieties of tasks to perform in a accurate and efficient manner. Then automation, that is nothing but the name itself, we can understand that it is the process is done by automatically. We need not to interrupt anything. Then computer performs all the tasks automatically, that it is performed task without manual intervention. Only we need to give the output instructions, no need to give the input instructions. So that is the calculations will be done by automatically and without any manual intervention. Only we need to give the instructions, no need to give any other thing. Then the computer automatically performs the functions. Memory, is nothing but inbuilt memory called primary memory. There are two types of memories. Inbuilt memory is called as primary memory, and secondary memory we will attach to them, such as pen drives and pen drives, CDs, etc., USBs, etc. So a computer is having two types of memories. First is primary memory, and second is memory is nothing but the storage or the capacity or the ROM what the computer has. So primary memory is inbuilt memory, and secondary memory which can attach and which can dispatch is nothing but secondary memory, that are pen drives, USB, CDs, etc. This we will attach for the for in for getting additional storage to our systems. This we will attach, also used to store data.
For the diagram of what do you say, USB. Okay, it
Okay,
will be a
ma'am.
clear picture for you. Yes.
Generations of computer. Who is going with generation?
No, it is the second
I'm
topic is
going.
input and output devices, CPU,
Huh?
Yeah,
ALU.
carry on, carry on. Some sort of revision. Carry on,
Shall I
whoever
continue?
is feeling comfortable with whichever topic you carry on.
Okay, ma'am. I'm
Yeah.
continuing.
Yeah.
So in this computer we have the major topics like input and output devices, which includes input, CPU, and ALU. Here, what is meant by input devices?
Amina,
Input.
it's input, CPU, and output unit. Okay, ma.
Okay.
Where within the CPU you have ALU and storage unit. Yes or no? You have memory, ALU and CU within the CPU, and output unit is another different one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Carry on.
Okay, so here input devices is meant by data or instructions given to the computer, which is called as input. So it feeds the data to the computer. Input is nothing but it is the data which is feed it in the computer in the form of data, you can call it as. It is like given instructions by the computer. Like inputs devices can be called as the joystick, etc. The computer reads when the data is given, and when processed, the person who is the handling the data, or the computer or the user, it reads or writes. So the input converts in machine understandable form for the processing, for data processing. So here the main interface, which is called as medium, as ma'am told. So it interprets the input data and converts into the machine understandable form for the processing. Interfaces here are in the forms of interpreter, compiler, translator, assembler. It allows user to communicate to the operating system. So we'll learn about the operating system in the last this end of the discussion. So next, what is CPU? CPU is the control unit in the functioning of the control unit. 1 minute. Sorry.
Processing unit.
Okay, CPU is like the brain of the computer. It does the calculations of AU and LU. It takes the decisions. It controls all the units of the computer. By the sentence called as the brain of the computer, we can understand what importance the CPU keeps in the computer. It is the fastest calculation system in every thing. It calculates very quickly, like within nanoseconds. It converts all the supplied input into the required output, like the input which is given, it converts into the output. Within this CPU, it exists this temporary storage called the CPU registers. CPU registers is nothing but internal storage without RAM. Like it consists of it will be of 16-bit, 32-bit, and 64-bit for faster data processing, um, to the processor for processing the data. It can affect the processing power, which depends on the bits. Now, bits is nothing but the binary language, which is zeros and ones, which is the computer understandable language binary form, which is called as bits. Binary digits is called as bits. If it is free or empty, if not, then the data is not taken into the normal storage box. CPU registers is nothing but the simple definitions of CPU registers is internal storage without RAM. Now, what is control unit? Control unit is nothing but it supervises all the functional units of the computer. It controls it controls the central processing unit. Now here we can understand what is the control unit works for. It controls the whole central processing unit, the typical computer system which consists of the various units. So the central, it is called as the, if the CPU is the central brain of the computer, then the control unit is the central nervous system of the computer. It brings and gives the information again and again, like the word called fetches. It fetches the information from the memory. It fetches and transfers the required data from the memory from where it is required. Like it is taken from A. If it is situated in A, and then it takes and it is required in B form column. So it takes it to B form column, and then it fetches. So the fetches, it transfers and fetches the required data from the memory where it is required. It selects and retrieves the information from the main correct place memory. Retrieves means bringing back something which is bringing back the instructions from the main correct place of the memory. It ensures if the data reaches at the correct time. It ensures at the data is reaching at the correct time like it is a supervisor of the computer, like it helps in the functioning of the whole computer. It acts as a monitor that tells other components like how to do, when to do, what to do. It regulates and integrates the operation of the computer. Like we studied here, like it acts as a monitor, how to do, when to do, and the like how to do. Basically, all the functions, like all the uh, basic things which is required in the computer functioning. Now ALU, what is the full form of ALU?
Arithmetic
Arithmetic
logical
logical
unit.
unit.
Arithmetic logical unit.
Yeah, arithmetical logical meaning is nothing. Unit is nothing but internally two memory registers data. It is having the two temporary registers data through which the incoming data which is input from memory is loaded and then operated, is called as ALU, arithmetical logical unit. Its final results are then given to the computer. It processes, and then the memory is loaded and then operated, and then it is given to the computer. It is composed of an arithmetic and logical units, all carried out by basic arithmetical and logical operations. Arithmetic and logic operations are nothing but arithmetic here means the plus, minus, division, and multiplication operations. And logical here means compare and analyze and decide, which performs the computer basically is dependent on the arithmetical and logical operations, which we studied in the definition of the computer. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, you're audible, ma. Carry on.
So the ALU stores the result in the output registers after completing the operations given by CU. After the CU gives the results, then the ALU, arithmetical logical means, stores the result in the output register after the completion of the operation given by CU. So here the ALU, CU, and CPU and input unit is completed. The main topic here is the operating system. What is operating system? The whole, it comes in under the operating system. The operating system runs the whole computer. It is considered as the backbone of the computer. So it manages the computer, both the software and hardware. Every computer should have the operating system. It is an interface or medium which acts between the user and the computer system.
This topic is later, no, ma'am?
No, this madam explained about the software and hardware here, the definitions.
Okay.
Yeah,
After
hard
this, she
copy and
explained.
soft copy.
Yeah.
Okay,
So the it manages both software and hardware devices. When the operating system, how the operating system starts, it makes a beep sound when the computer is open. It activates all the functioning of the computer while making that sound. The operating system in the computers are Windows. The operating system in the phone is like Android and iOS. Android and iOS, and the software is nothing but the combination of programs is called as software. And hardware is nothing but the physical or tangible. Tangible means which we can see. Components of the computer are hardware. The peripheral devices to expand the capability of the computer. It is nothing but the peripheral devices. Peripheral means extra or additional devices which can be attached to the computer, which helps in the expandation of the capability of the computer. They are optional in nature. The computer devices which run behind the screen is software. So the hardware, this is software are of two types, which is software, system software and application software. Systems software is the specific job or managing the specific things like operating this operating system. Example, are designed. It can be called as a design to perform other softwares. System software can be tell us. Application software is nothing but WordPad, Notepad, and MS PowerPoint, MS Office. So here the hardwares are divided into two types, firmware and humanware. Firmware is nothing but the combination of software and hardware because we couldn't accept software and hardware mutually. The firmware is nothing but the combination of software and hardware devices, and the humanware is nothing but the users of system, the system or who doesn't know the system. Matlab, humanware is nothing but it gives a simple and basic instructions or things to instructions to the humans, which is the in human understandable form, which we can say. So here is the end of topic. If you doesn't get any point, you can ask me.
No, Alhamdulillah, it was clear. Thank you.
Thank you,
Once
Sarah.
you repeat firmware.
Firmware is nothing but the combinations of software and hardware, because software and hardware cannot be like virtually written or read. So it is the both firmware and firmware is this combination of software and hardware.
You cannot expect a system to run without hardware and without software. The mutual dependency of both hardware and software, a combination, you call it as a firmware. Okay.
Then generation of computer I can take, ma'am.
Yeah, you can.
As we all know, generations of like first computer was made by Charles Babbage, who is known as our father of computer. So first computer was like from first generation computers. There is nothing to learn. Only there is nothing to revise. Only we have to learn. Just take 10 fingers of your hand. We'll just take as points and we'll remember it, inshallah. Okay. So first generation of computer. First period. What was period of first generation? 1940 to 1956. 1940 to 1956. Second finger, processor. What was processor used in first generation computers? Vacuum tubes were used. Okay. What was the drawback for this vacuum tubes? Vacuum tubes were very large. They required very large room. And this is third finger. Okay. Then they consumed large amount of energy. Fifth finger, they consumed large amount of electricity. And sixth finger, they released large amount of heat. Seventh finger, they required large amount of large ACs to reduce heat. This is eighth finger, unreliable, inconsistency, and inaccuracy in the outputs. Okay. Then once again, we'll revise these all things and then we'll learn examples. Okay. First point, period was from
1940 to
1940 to
1956.
1940 to 1956.
processor was
Vacuum tubes and
Thermonic
thermonic
valve machine.
machines.
yeah. Memory used was. I didn't mention
Magnetic drums.
magnetic drums. I didn't mention, I guess. Memory used here was magnetic drums. Okay. And they consumed large amount of energy, large amount of electricity, released large amount of heat, required large ACs to reduce heat. And their output was or data was unreliable, inconsistency, and inaccuracy. Okay. Their input based was on punch cards and paper.
And paper tape.
Yeah. Output was in printouts. Examples are UNIVAC and ENIAC. Then, first
Yes.
generation computer.
Worked on.
Yeah. So second generation computer. Second generation period.
Sarah, sorry to interrupt, but you have missed one point that
Yeah,
these computers worked on binary coded concept, that is 0 and
yes.
1.
Yeah, they work on binary coded language. It is 0 to 1. Okay, 0 1's language. Okay.
Yes.
Then second generation computer period was from 1956 to 1964. Period was from 1956 to 1964. Processor used here was transistors. Magnetic tapes were used as storage memory. Okay. Fourth point, they required less space and they were faster. They consumed less energy, and they also used high level language. First generation computer used binary language, whereas second generation computer used high level language. Okay, and they were costly, and commercial product was limited. Okay, once again we'll revise. Second generation computer period was from 1956 to 1964. Processor used was transistors. Magnetic tapes were used as storage memory, and their speed was faster. They were more versatile. They required less energy. Then, yeah, language was high level language. They were costly, and also commercial product was very limited. Once again, period was from
1956 to 1964.
56 to 64.
1963.
processor was
Transistors.
Transistor.
memory, storage memory used was
Magnetic
Magnetic tube.
Magnetic tape.
Tape.
Yes, why
Then
other girls are not responding? Rest of girls, Afsha, all the girls, Amreen, Ariba, why ma? Just muting and listening. Bibi, Zainab, Esmat. Only 3 girls? Is it meant for 3 to 4 girls, the interaction and the revision session? Iram, Juveria, Lubna. Yes, Lubna, sometimes she participates. Maria, Mahin, Namira, Nasima, Naz, Noora, Saleha. Why you don't respond ma, always? Try to be interactive and be active in the class. Yes, I need responses from everybody. It's not for 4 to 5 members. Yes or no? I want everybody to participate. At least answers from your side. Please don't do that, girls. Try to, cooperate with each other. It's for all of us. Okay? Carry on, ma. Carry on, Sarah.
language used was
High level language.
higher level languages.
was it cheap? Was it cheap or costly?
Costly.
Commercial product was limited. We are
Limited.
done with second generation and first generation. We'll come to now third generation. Third generation period was from 1963 to 1971. Once again, period was from 1963 to 1971. Okay. Processor used here was integrated circuits, that is IC. Okay. And already internal memory was more, but still we used, if we want external memory, we used magnetic disks in third generation computers. Once again, internal memory was already more, but for external memory, if we used magnetic disks were used. Okay. Then power consumed was less, heat emitted was less, and then monitor and keyboards were used. This is another important point here. Again, that output and input based was changed here. Monitors and keyboards were used for output and input. Okay, and they were used for both scientific and commercial use. Cost was also low, and they again used high level language. Okay, once again, period was from 1963 to 1971. Processors are IC, that is integrated circuit. Memory, internal memory is already more, and magnetic disks was used as external memory. Okay, power consumed were less, heat emitted was also less, output and input bases were monitor and keyboard.
Monitors and keyboard.
Yeah, scientific, and it was used for scientific and commercial use. Cost was also low, and language was high level language. Okay, once again, period was
1963 to
1971.
1975.
processor was
Integrated circuit.
Integrated circuit.
I see.
what about memory?
Magnetic disk.
Magnetic memory was
disk.
there.
External
Magnetic
memory was
disk and
magnetic disk.
external disk. External memory.
No, magnetic disk was used as external memory. Okay,
External
it was
storage.
external memory. Yeah, or because internal memory is already more. Like earlier, they were not having that much memory, but here memory storage was more already in internal memory. But like that means primary memory. Primary memory's another name was internal memory or main memory. Okay, so yeah, primary memory was already more, but if they want secondary storage or secondary memory, so they were using magnetic disk, not like USBs nowadays or hard disks, etc. Okay, they were having magnetic disks. Okay, then power consumed was less, heat emitted was less, output and input devices were what?
Monitors and keyboards.
Monitors,
They were
keyboard.
used for dash users.
As well as for journal purpose.
Yeah, was it cheap or costly?
Cheaper.
Low cost.
Costly.
No, it was low. It was low in price. It was cost was low.
No, it was less only because when
Yeah,
compared to
affordable,
earlier,
yes.
it was less.
Cost was low, and language used was
High level.
Language.
High level
Yes.
language.
So we are done with all three generation of computers. Now we are up to fourth generation of computer. Fourth generation computer period was from 1972 to 2010. Okay, period was from 1972 to 2010, and microprocessors were used as processor, which were very small, like mini with higher speed. Means their speed was very like very high, but it was very small in size. Okay, millions of electronic components like integrated circuits were used. We already read about integrated circuit ICs, which were here. Millions of electronic ICs were used for making this microprocessor, and that microprocessor was used as processor. Okay, and these computers were small and they emitted less heat. They were reliable, accurate, and faster. Maintenance cost was negligible. Faster and larger primary memory, that is RAM and ROM, was more. And then the special point over here is GUI, graphics, graphical user interface was used, which is pictorial representation for new users to quickly learn.
To interact with the computer easily.
Yeah, to interact with it easily. Then here it was standard high level language. Okay, and input and output devices were more peripheral devices were used also. Like already in the third generation computers, you are using output and input devices. Sorry, and here peripheral devices were also used. Like that is what we'll say. CDs, etc. I guess still they were in use. I guess in that time, 2010 and all, they were in use. And then network of compute. Yeah, that much only. So yeah, application development and network of computer was formed with this fourth generation of computer. Once again, I will repeat. Period was from 1972 to 2010. Microprocessor was used as processor. What is microprocessor? Which was very small, like mini in size and with high speed. And how is it this formed? This microprocessor, millions of electronic. Sorry.
Yeah.
Million of electronic components, integrated circuits were used here, like ICs were used here. And about this computers were small and emitted less heat, and they were reliable, accurate, and faster. Maintenance cost was also negligible. Faster and larger primary were used. Primary memory, that is RAM and ROM, was used in larger and faster way. And here most important point was GUI, that is graphical user interface used, which is pictorial representation for new users to quickly learn and to interact with users. Okay, and then standard high level language was used. More input and output devices were used. Also, many peripheral devices were also used. And and also this computer became portable. Okay, we can take this computer, like not like earlier computers which were very large in size, so that you cannot shift, only whole room was occupied. But here these computers were small in size, so they were portable also. And network of computers were formed, and application of development was there in these computers. So once again, what was the period of this computers? Fourth generation computers?
2010.
What was processor used?
Processor.
Which is
Yeah,
made
and what
by
were these
millions of
microprocessors?
electronic components.
It
with
was
made
made
of
with millions of
millions of electronic components.
Electronic
And it was having high speed, and the size was very mini. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And what about computer size?
It
Yeah,
was
cost was
Small in
negligible.
size. Small in size.
Reliable,
The previous generation's computer.
faster. The most important point?
GUI.
graphical user interface.
Graphical user interface.
Which type of language was used?
Standard languages. High standard languages.
What about output and input devices? They were
Printers,
used many, and
keyboards.
also peripheral devices were used.
Peripheral device.
And also they became portable, and many computer not networks were formed. Application of development was there in these computers. Okay. So now we are going to we are completed with fourth generation also, Alhamdulillah. We will go to fifth generation, which is now present generation computers. So these computers, nowadays computers, as you all know, these are based on AI, that is artificial intelligence. Okay. These computers are based on artificial intelligence, and portable. These computers are very portable now. Laptops, computers, etc. Everything. This is very portable.
Artificial intelligence is a branch of science. Okay, it is a branch of computer science, which is going on in today's generation. Yeah,
Ma'am,
continue.
do you know about that robot, lady robot, Sophie or something?
Yes.
Yeah,
Was made
long
in-
back, ma.
long
Maybe
Yeah.
during your
Got the
pandemic, I
citizenship,
guess.
right?
Yes.
Yes.
No, before that only, ma'am. I guess when I
2
was in,
years हो गया शायद. Sana
yeah, when I was
Sophie
in
उसका.
10th.
Yeah.
मैम,
It was
तब
there.
नोटबंदी हुई थी नहीं, तब मतलब बहुत चला था उसके बाद. I guess
Yes.
2018. Yeah,
That robot is
2018.
also made of AI only, artificial intelligence.
You know, not only that, like, see, that was the biggest one, but even in kitchens also they are like something, it's robotized, adding the ingredients and giving the instructions, then even the cooking is made easy. It has been done. If you could
Yes.
browse through, you see this, like where all the ingredients are done, like it's not still out, but the things are going on, like artificial intelligence, robotics, not very much in India. Very sorry
Yeah.
to say this, but abroad it is very much in demand. Artificial intelligence, there are only what I want to say is few institutes which are training in AI, but in abroad very much familiar.
Yeah, actually here I guess nowadays we don't have to go and off the light and all. They will only say to that some name is there. I forgot that name.
Yeah.
Aurora, something like that. Please off the lights. Means that lights will be off, and they will say on the
Alexa.
TV. Means
Yeah.
Alexa. Yeah,
Alexa. Yeah. Girls, I hope like the three who have explained have done a very good job. Like, see, computer and characteristics, which is very important, and block diagram of computer again important, and like what Amina said, the hardware, software, firmware, and the block diagram, like input, CPU, and output, that is also important. And the way Sarah explained the 5 generations of computer, if all the girls who are now participating, around 59 girls, if you have listened this class, it is very damn easy to write your generations of computer without even preparing. It was crystal clear what I want to say, but still if you have any doubts, okay, let me know. And yes, I'll take attendance, Sana Fatima, don't worry. Before I leave, I'll take the attendance and leave, you don't worry. Okay, so still any doubts, let me know. And
No,
meanwhile,
ma'am, it was very
No,
clear.
ma'am.
girls,
The generation
No,
was
ma'am, no
very
doubt.
clear.
yeah, it's very easy actually. When you write and when you try to rote learn or by heart it becomes difficult, but the way she explained is very nice. Yes, very good, Sarah. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
So in between we'll be taking these revision classes, because it will be a sort of revision rather than at the end where we do not get bored by continuation. ठीक है ना? So
Ma'am, tomorrow also, revision day.
I don't know if the class is there. Let me see. Otherwise, I'll plan another day. Okay, ma? Even we have to finish off with the syllabus. Now, I'll do it. Don't worry. We'll try to do it. Okay. Rest all
Okay,
I
ma'am.
want you to prepare. Okay. Not only these 3 to 4, 5 girls who are responding on a daily basis, I want other girls also to respond. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay,
raise your hands, ma. Those who are from Malakpet, please raise your hands, ma. Okay. Hands are not still raised.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes,
again.
ma'am. Again.
Yeah.
Maybe because of some issues from there. Okay, somebody give another symbol, ma. You give another symbol which is there.
Thumb symbol.
Huh? Yeah, you give thumb symbol from Malakpet, ma. ठीक है ना?
Where it is, ma'am?
Reaction size.
Ma'am,
don't
thumbs
know.
also not there, ma'am. Thumb symbols also not there.
More में click करो MORE. On the more you have this
No, ma'am, not
emojis.
there.
It's
It
there.
is there. You just click on more, no?
I have
No,
done.
no, somebody are getting that and somebody are not, because they're having only, I think, 6 options: chat, enable, original sound, raise hand, hide non-video participants, hide name when participants join. That's it.
There is a symbol of affection and tears. Emojis hai na bache? Thumbs
Yes,
up and
ma'am. Clapping.
yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
clapping. रुखसार बेटे, रुखसार खेल ले रहे अच्छा जब से, आ रहे जा रहे हाँ क्या रुखसार
Ma'am,
after long
without this symbols also will can take, ma'am. Only Malakpet branch girls will open their mics. Then they'll be in the starting shift.
Yeah, ma'am.
We can calculate like that also.
see, with the technology we have to make the things easy, Mariam, not complicated. Yes or no?
I am also not getting that thumb option because I am logging in with this Vivo, so I am not getting this option.
See, Mahina Ahmed, she has thumb up kare honu, thumbs up. You all do that. Let me see. Yeah, Aisha Kalim. Yes.
Mute
Very good.
yourselves, girls.
Yes, see.
Ma'am, but within
Thumbs.
few seconds it's going off.
Yeah.
Ma'am, that thumb symbol is coming.
Symbol
now.
is, yeah,
You
yeah,
can
it is
disabling
refreshing.
and
Ma'am, it's automatically going.
Okay. However, there are I'll take up one of you count and tell me, ma.
Then all
One
of you
will
mute, ma'am.
all.
Yeah.
Yes. Shall I end the session then? Raising hands, only one I could see. Saida Amina Restral, can you lift?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Tara
Raise
also
my
has
hand.
lifted.
Girls, आप लोग एक second mute
Also
करिए ना.
became host ना. Just now, I guess
Girls, you can mute so we can count.
If you'll mute, no, then we are able to count.
Ma'am, 12 are from Malakpet branch.
Okay, Lubna, thank you very much for that. So, advance Happy Republic Day. Be proud to be Indian, ma. Okay? Bye,
Yes,
Indian.
Ma'am, 12
Very,
are there
very
from
proud to be
Malakpet.
Two,
Indian.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma?
12 are from Malakpet, ma'am.
Okay. I'll take care. I'll note it down. Okay? Once again, I'll end the session. Thank you all for being there, ma. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
morning, Pawni, ma'am.
Republic
Continue,
Day
ma'am.
to you too.